About a year and a half ago, YouTube started exploring this thing they called YouTube Shorts, kind of their competition with TikTok. And at the time, I thought I would give that a try, and I tried some over here on Black Bear Forge. And in general, you guys didn't really like the idea. You thought that that wasn't really going to help this channel. But I felt it was a worthwhile experiment. So I set up a second channel. I simply called it Black Bear Forge Shorts. No, not the ones I wear, but the short vertical format videos that people tend to watch on their mobile phones. And those videos over there really did very well. There's one of those with 68 million views on it. Overall more views, overall more watch time, and more subscribers on that channel. Unfortunately, my goal was to build an audience for this channel for the longer, more serious videos, and it hasn't really done that. There have been a few people come over from that channel to watch this channel. So I started putting some longer content over there. Some of it was re-edits to condense down the videos I was doing here. Some of them were videos created specifically for that channel. And they did okay, but they didn't do great. And again, I didn't see any growth on this channel. What it really ends up doing is kind of splitting my efforts. And even though I don't put a lot of work in over there, it's still a bit of a distraction for this channel. So I made the decision that I think that experiment has pretty much run its course. If you've been watching that channel, in fact, I've renamed it to Black Bear Forge 2 because it isn't just about shorts anymore. But that channel is somewhat of a distraction from doing what I'm doing over here. I have so many things I need to do in my life. We live in a forested area and have a severe fire risk, and just had a fire down the street the other day. I got to spend more time out cutting brush, things like that. So I'm not always going to be able to make as many videos as I would like. So with that in mind, I'm really going to cut back on the Black Bear Forge 2 videos, almost to the point of eliminating doing videos over there. I might do one every few months just to keep that channel active enough that YouTube doesn't decide it's been abandoned and do who knows what with it. So you'll see a few things over there every now and then. Mostly I think it will be videos that I've done on this channel that are maybe 20 minutes long that I edit down to 5-minute videos so I don't have to shoot new content, just to keep that channel alive. But some of the videos I was going to put over on that channel, instead of posting them there in the next few weeks, I think I'm going to post them over here. So if you're watching this channel and you're seeing extra videos for a month or so, that's those videos coming over here. They're going to be shorter, they're going to be simple, some of them are going to have music with them, some of them won't have narratives. It's all sort of experimental stuff. It isn't a change in format on this channel so much as it just is bringing that content over to someplace where people might actually enjoy it and using it to benefit this channel and you folks out there as the audience that watches the main channel, instead of letting it just have mediocre performance over there. I hope that makes some sense. Hope you enjoy it. If those videos are doing well over here and you seem to enjoy them, I'll consider a better mix over here of really simple videos and more complicated videos and try and keep a wide variety of stuff. But it's all just a big experiment. And the one thing that I know is constant in my world anyways, is that things change, and what seems like a good idea today may not seem like a good idea tomorrow. And even in the blacksmith shop, I do a whole lot of different things because I don't want to be stuck in a rut on any one style of work or any one style of project. So making different style videos may work out just fine as far as I'm concerned, and hopefully as far as you're concerned. Now in reality, there's actually 3 channels. There's Black Bear Forge, Black Bear Forge 2, and there's one simply called John Switzer. It has almost nothing to do with blacksmithing. That's where I show what I'm doing in life. If you want to see what I'm doing for fire mitigation, or for that matter, if you want to see the video I did on the little fire that we had just down the street, I'll post that video right over here. In the meantime, I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.